And you can see where this is quite obvious. Silver buy side trades in this area here. Two signals, one here and the candle beside it, and a sell signal coming into this area here, and trying to work into those as offers, opportunities. So when we look at these as signals, buy side silver, sell side silver, then that's what we're doing. And if we then look at that as an outcome, you'll see that the silver trade is the silver line, surprisingly enough. And you'll see that the gold line, there's the silver line, there's the Japanese yen. So you can see that we're buying silver against that premium on the yen at the moment. So we could sell the yen, or we could buy silver against the gold, and that seems a bit of a weird looking trade because gold is trading at the session lows. But this is, of course, a silver gold storyline. So if you sold gold, you'd be selling gold at that point there. And if you bought silver, you'd be buying silver at that point there, plus the next phase as well. Well, you can see what's happened. Even if you take it all the way to the conclusion, the sell on gold has actually ended up with a small profit at the same time as the buy on silver's rallied for $5,000 a contract. You couldn't make it up, could you? Incredible profits on that silver long, considering the gold price was selling off during that period. If you decided instead of selling it against the gold market, which I would agree with is probably a poor narrative, because of where the Japanese yen is, it would be quite reasonable to sell it against that top line Japanese yen. Well, that's even better, isn't it? Sell side the Japanese yen absolutely kicked ass on that sell side, didn't it? Huge profits on the short yen position. Huge profits on the short yen position against a long silver position here. And obviously the reversal was true now. Buying the Japanese yen potentially against this short silver is the current go-to spread at the moment. Selling silver here, buying the yen into that narrative gives us a very, very nice bit of spreadability. And who doesn't like a bit of spreadability on their toast in the morning? We all enjoy that bit of business, don't we? Beautiful.